American Girl doll, you'll discover a new world of imagination. That's because each character stars in unique stories of courage, loyalty, compassion, and leadership. Learn how the challenges of the joys of growing up in another area still relate to girls in 2010. Explore books and products developed to encourage play and creativity. And find inspiration in the stories that celebrate girls and all that they can be.
And Noelle, which American Girl doll is your favorite?
Kit, because I'm going to get her.
Oh, you're going to get her?
Mm-hmm.
How are you going to get her?
With my allowance.
Okay. What do you like about Kit?
Because she looks like me.
Okay. How does she look like you?
She has short blonde hair and blue eyes, I think. Yeah, she has blue eyes.
Okay. Wow. Who's your second favorite American Girl doll?
Kirsten, except for I can't get her.
Why?
Because you can't get her anymore.
Okay. What makes American Girl dolls so interesting?
Because my friend Ella has one.
Okay. That makes sense. Well, do you have anything else you'd like to say on the video before I turn it off?
No.
No? Okay.
Can I watch the video now?